Yes, I. Greetings. Anyways, there's something that kind of puzzle me more time. You know what I mean? There's people who always tell me that I focus on people who are drinking beer or some people who are just abusing drugs. Right? I don't. But it just comes across like that because, hey, Zimbabwe is almost 17 million people. And when you check out Get Crown King channel, it's about how many characters? Maybe 20. We deal with 2 or 3 streets, Nklanga, 2nd Avenue, probably 1st Avenue. So if I do come across like that, tell me how many people in our society would go on a video, super sense. Yo unyazo sauti muna anaita se? Anonwa wao. Kana anoputa mbanje. Anenga achinyara aende pa video. That's what's up. So most of these videos, Muna anenga tutaura something earlier, and some of the time tenda to repeat yourself. Ongo chitichi, ongo wati. You know what I mean? We document that. It's mostly for fun. Sometimes it comes out as educational, socializing, and it. But if you don't see the entertainment in it, that's where my problem starts. It's the entertainment part. Nini ndoputa mbanje, ndino wawa. I know one anorwa mtoriro. Wakawanda. But andorwa mtoriro. I'm not gonna go door to door and tell somebody to stop mtoriro. No. Because at basa rangu. Vanhu vakatanga kurwa mutoriro nandisipo ini. I don't even know kuti mutoriro wacho wakabva kupi. All I know in kuti Castle Aganova Delta, creative industry. In the 80s, there's not Mbanje ever kwamtoko. Then pakazotanga kuizwa reggae music like rubber dub style, dancehall style. Kunana Zimbabwe Zimbabwe kwa Fields nekwa dub center. Mbanje zakatanga kubuda nekumalawi ari makobo. I didn't even smoke back in the day, 80s, 90s. I didn't even smoke, not even one single cigarette. Yembanje, kind of Hwezha. Takazotanga over 2000 something. So, yes, some people might want me to be a role model. How can I be a role model when I'm around a broken society? There's nothing to do for these youths. A lot of them, they just gazing out their days, walking all about and doing nothing. They find something to do, and now Minox role model unofana support. No. Where should I get sponsorship for these things? Where? My channel is not even sponsored. Have you ever seen an advert on my channel? Or tichitora zvinhu zvemunhu chitaura kuti kana uchida chinhu chakati enda pakati orofonera namba yakati. Wakambozviona izvozvo? No. Enda kune vanhu vanoita masponsorship. Inga vanhu vanogara vachitaura about drug abuse. Variko vanhu vanozvitaura. Don't lose sleep over me, man. Please, allow me. Allow me, make me live. See? It is what it is. Kuno Canada chaiko chaiko. We have places that are there for drug addicts to inject themselves, that are being monitored by the government. Munhu anotobva kumba kwake otonotenga a drug of their choice, otoenda otonogara in this air conditioned place, otopiwa clean needle, otozviinjecta, otonakirwa, otogara imomo, otobuda, otoenda, and police does nothing. Now in Canada is now like Amsterdam. Every corner you go, bad this, marijuana that. Mbanje dzakutengeswa mumashops. Inenga mbanje is less than 5 minutes away from my house. Kunotenga mushop ne credit card or cash. Imagine that. This is a first world country. Iri kubvumidza vanhu kuti vatenge mbanje mustoro, kuti vanhu vaya madrug addicts kuti vazvi-injecte madrugs ekuno kwakawanda, of which I'm not going to talk about it because, you know, ndezvavo zvemadrugs. Munhu anozvi-injecta akachengetedzwa nevanhu vari kubhadharwa nehurumende yemucanada. Imagine that. Imagine zvakaitika kuZimbabwe izvozvo. Hazvifi zvakaitika kuZimbabwe. That much I tell you. I know a lot of people in Canada who went to jail because of selling. I know a lot of people got deported to their home countries because of selling. But now it's benefiting those elites, the government of Canada. They don't think about the families they destroyed. Ndine shamwari up to now hakwanisa kuwana basa because ane criminal record yekutengesa zvinodhaka. Hakwanisa kuenda kuAmerica, United States of America, which is 1.5 hours driving on a 401 highway kuenda paBuffalo, New York hapo. Hakwanisa kupasvika because akabatwa nemapurisa achitengesa kanhu kanoita $10 or $20. Inini wacho anokwanisa kuenda kuAmerica. Do you understand? Saka kana munhu uchiuya uchitaura kuti madman be a role model chichichichi, aiwa handiko ikoko sha, handiko. Let the good times roll. Vanhu ngavafadze njeri. We have artists from Jamaica that used to think taking cocaine is a thing. Some got deported from Canada that I know of which is none of my business, right? These artists, reggae dancehall artists from Jamaica, who died, and they are well known because of taking drugs. And no one did nothing about it. because it was called the in thing. Big artists, you know. Because Zimbabwe, it's an artists who are doing the same. But no rules, not the guys who is. And can I ask now with the one I think they're gonna help us stage. The Paimon is not dark. Some have lost their lives on the way. A lot of kids are going mad, crazy in Zimbabwe because of Mtoriro, because of my diaspam. Mbanje tinopengesa futi wakazitanga zvisiri unopenga. Hakuna chinhu chinonzi drugs chisikapengesa. But anyways, I like to be a role model, but not to that. Thank you.